service. I believe the issues around mental illness in the police service are linked to work-related stress. In this connection, if I am approved by this Honorable House and appointed by the President subsequently, I intend to equip, expand, and fully capitalize the wellness and counseling unit, which I intend to link with the soon to be established Kenya Police Hospital, the Kenya Police Service Hospital, and the Kenya Prison Service Hospital, two projects which are at an advanced stage and should be operational within the next few months. If you have those hospitals in place and are functioning, well-equipped, well-human resourced wellness and counseling unit, we will be able to prevent cases of a psychiatric nature that lead to mental illness and sometimes fatal accidents involving police officers and their families. Secondly, I believe that these incidents are caused by the low morale and also the low remuneration and poor working conditions of police officers vis-a-vis the risks that they undertake in the service of the nation. And to finalize on that, I'll combine it with one of the questions that was raised by the Honorable Leader of Majority, which is to say, I intend to vigorously fight for the welfare and improved terms of service for police officers as well as prison officers because of the critical nature of the role they play in securing our country. I know the current administration has committed in its manifesto to review the terms and other welfare issues, including housing and mortgages. I will be the #1 champion to have that part of the manifesto implemented fully so that you can instill better morale, better working conditions, and a happier Kenya Police Service, a happier Kenya Prison Service. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Leader of Majority asked me whether I'll be proud and arrogant. The answer is no. I believe that the ultimate trait of leadership is humility. And most people tend